Hello everyone, welcome to Worst Chefs in America. Just kidding, not really. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make something a little bit interesting for you. I'm going to be making gluten-free veggie dog pigs in a blanket. Mind blown. Okay, so this is inspired by this little Piggy Mold. I don't know if you've ever seen these, but I just saw them at Kroger the other day, and it was one of those things where I'm like, I have to have that. So anyway, I'm going to make those for you today. So a couple of simple ingredients we have here. We've got our gluten-free baking mix. I've got 2 cups of that. I've got a cup of milk and 2 eggs. So it's going to be really easy to throw these ingredients just here. See why it's called Worst Chefs in America already. I'm going to pour in my milk and then my eggs. All right, now that my forearms are all burning, we need to spray this little pan really quick. I've got my little pan here. Hit this up really quick. This is going to be so much fun. Let's get pouring. And then I've already pre-sliced my little veggie dogs. So I've got a little bit of batter left over, like I said, and I'm just going to kind of top these off just so that my little veggie dog is buried in there, in the batter and all the goodness. Okay, alright, so we have everything set up in our little silicone tray, and I just put this on top of a cookie sheet, and we are going to put this in the oven for about 12 to 13 minutes on 425. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Woo, pigs in a blanket coming in hot. Woo, woo, woo. Ooh, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna take like a little fork here and just kind of wiggle them loose a little bit. Oh my gosh. Look at this little pig. You see the little piggy? They're so cute, their little faces. Have me a little dipping station. I got some spicy brown mustard here. Oh my gosh. So good. Mmm. Yum. Whoa. It was so good. Thank you guys so much for watching my little creative video of gluten-free veggie dogs. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to do that as well. So again, thank you guys so much and take care. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.